Hello garden enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly special to share with you, the flourishing world of cucumber plants. You can see right here, these cucumber plants are thriving, and I'm here to share some tips and success stories to help you achieve the same level of success in your own garden. Cucumbers are not just delicious vegetables, they're also relatively easy to grow with the right attention and care. So let's dive into some tips on how to cultivate flourishing cucumber plants. First things first, let's talk about planting. When planting cucumber seeds or seedlings, make sure to choose improved seeds and a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. You can either plant them in seed starting cups or trays as seedlings, or plant them directly in your garden beds. Plant your cucumber seeds about 1 inch deep in rows, spacing them around 12 inches apart. If you're using seedlings, gently plant them into the soil, making sure to give them enough space to spread out. Once your cucumber plants have started growing, it's essential to provide them with adequate water and nutrients. I water my cucumber plants regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. If you have a dry climate like here, consider watering morning and evening. Here in Makurdi, Nigeria, we have very high temperatures and evaporation rate is quite high. So you can save yourself the stress of manually watering your cucumber plants by installing an irrigation system. That's another solution. Additionally, consider fertilizing your plants every few weeks to ensure they have adequate nutrients for them to thrive. I do mine every other week or every 3 weeks. Now let's talk about the different varieties of cucumbers you can grow in your garden. There are the classic green cucumbers to the more exotic heirloom varieties. Just find out what's obtainable in your area, considering your climate and the resistance to pests and diseases. Experiment with different cucumber varieties to find the ones that suits your preferences and growing conditions best. Whether you're looking for slicing cucumbers for salads or pickling cucumbers for homemade pickles, there's no shortage of options to choose from. I had a bad experience in January when I planted a cucumber garden having almost 200 plants, but none of them survived. They were all killed due to diseases, one after the other. It was wiped out. Therefore, my advice to you gardeners is to always watch out whenever you plant a garden. Watch out for diseases and pests. Always weed your garden and make sure that your garden is always looking very healthy and everything is well so that you can reap the harvest. Also, remember to stake your cucumbers instead of leaving them crawling all over the ground. This way, you reduce their risk of contracting diseases from the soil, and they have better ventilation. Another benefit of staking your cucumbers is to be able to prune them when you have to. It makes it easy to prune. Also, staked cucumbers are easy to pick during harvest, rather than when you have them spread around the ground. They get attacked by pests, so you have so many insects eating into your cucumbers from the ground or from the soil. You know, they eat in, and you have spoiled cucumbers here and there. Sometimes you forget to pick some of them because they hide inside the leaves all around the ground. You don't see them, so they get overripe and rotten off. Here you can see that the cucumbers are doing well. They are well spaced and they are staked. This allows for maximum aeration. There is enough air circulation around the cucumbers, and we have to know that, like human beings, the plants need air. With air, care, sunshine, nutrients, water, your plants are good to go. Trust me. Once you are able to overcome all the hurdles involved in growing cucumber plants, you'll get to a good harvest. When your cucumbers reach the desired size, simply snip them off the vine using a pair of scissors or a garden shears. So I have to harvest this one now for my salad today. Though I snipped mine off with my hands using a technique without hurting my cucumber plant. Guys, those were my flourishing cucumber plants. Get it right from seed selection, planting, maintenance, and harvest. You're sure to reap a good harvest. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Happy gardening and see you in the next video.